Today we have an exciting video for you. We've bought these beautiful side tables and it's now time to fit the drawers. We'll be using these full extension ball bearing runners from Gelmar. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the process of disassembling and assembling these runners correctly. Remember, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines specific to your runners for safe disassembly and reassembly. I will now show you how to remove a drawer if you would like to fix or replace a runner. Now I'm going to show you how to install new runners. Look at that. Thanks to the ball bearing runners from Gelmar, our drawers are smooth operators. I hope you enjoyed learning about fitting drawers with ball bearing runners. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.